Here we go.
I've been there.
Good morning. We are.
Ew.
Hi, buddy.
Hi. You don't see me.
I see you. We are on the road this morning in West Iceland. We are driving to Husafell. We are headed to the canyon baths. It's going to be amazing. You guys have been wanting to see these new-ish hot springs. It's kind of in a hidden location and it's hard to get to, and you need to take either a specific tour or you need to stay at the hotel. So these are very VIP entrance hot tubs, but it's going to be totally worth it because they're at the bottom of this beautiful canyon. Scenery around is going to be incredible and I can't wait to show you. So let's take a look. Alright, so here you meet just outside of Hotel Husafell. Meet here at the activity center, and then you hop on this bus right here and they bring you to the secret location of the canyon baths. We are going to a secret location before our secret location. This is why you have a guide. Oh, beautiful. So sunny today. Very rare.
First time.
Very
Like
beautiful.
When we first came to Iceland.
Here we go.
I've been there many times since then. Yeah. Really cool,
As you can see here, the canyon baths is on private property, and so you do need a guide or to stay at the hotel in order to access the baths. It's gated off, it's locked, private admission only. We got changing rooms in here, and then a little bridge, and he said we could swim in this. This is the natural river, so you can take a cold dip in there if you get too hot in the hot tubs, and the hot tubs are just here over the bridge. Changing area, super cozy, lots of hooks for your stuff. And here, you just pull this string right here, and then hot water comes out of these faucets right here from the earth. And then you can take a shower, and you're supposed to rinse off right here before you get into the baths. And then we are the only people here today on this tour, but he said that they typically would only let maximum of 16 people come at a time. And so when you're here, you know that it's not going to be super crowded because you are on a private tour. So that's really nice. Let's go check it out. Which one? Do you want to go in this one first? Come on. A lot of lava stones. Okay, in true Icelandic fashion, they have, and it is the sunniest day, a cold plunge, aka a stream. It's actually really, really warm in Iceland today, almost 20 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna plunge. And by plunge, I mean do our best. Ah! Oh my gosh. This is hard. My legs in, and that's it. Ready? Ah, ah, ah! Okay, that's good. Oh my gosh. I know that you're supposed to breathe through those things.
No.
I'm just not good at it. I try. I give it a whirl. Then I go back in the hot tub. Bye, canyon baths. Absolutely incredible out here. Oh, I'm so sad to leave. That was amazing. Amazing. It's just in the middle of nature. Just incredible nature around here. You're in a canyon, you're in a hot tub in Iceland. I loved every second. Okay, here's the deal. The tour guide that brought us here told us about the history of the area, and it was a sheep farmer that started this hot spring, and he noticed that there was hot water coming out of his land. So he started drilling in different spots until he found where the source of the hot water came from. Opened these canyon baths in 2019, just before COVID. So very, very few people have actually been here. I'm really glad that I was able to come and take you guys. The other thing is that he wanted to keep the area as natural as possible. So essentially, the wooden changing areas could be pulled out of the ground and just taken away. The canyon baths could be, you know, demolished, and then the glacier would eventually flood this river again, because right now they have a little bit of like diversion to make the water go a certain way. But essentially, if they want to close this area up, all they have to do is pull up everything they've kind of built out. Everything is kept very natural. All the stones are from these mountains around here, and it would just go back to completely normal, like a canyon. So I thought that was pretty incredible. Everything is super beautiful, sustainable, natural wood, natural stones. I'm so glad that I was able to come and share it with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope you love this video, and I'll see you in the next one. But until then, happy planning.